Today I want to showcase a really awesome haircut that I think could be a great style if you have it now or in 2022 or really whenever, because it's such a unique style and this hair length is really ideal for a number of different shapes. So I'm going to bring this mannequin head a little bit closer. The neckline goes right here. It's a very natural type of neckline, and you can see it's not like super short as far as like it's not buzzed or a typical kind of really close fade. It's got a little bit of length to where this is probably about 1.5 inches all the way in through here, and then it gradually gets a little bit longer to where this goes from about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches, and right around here, I'd say it's a good 3.5 inches because you want to have the hair follow the roundness of the head shape, okay? Now, working into the sides, it's cut probably about to the middle of the ear. Again, it's not, really, really short or buzzed or faded. It's got a natural kind of length in throughout the sides here, where again, we're going with that 1.5 to 2 inch length. So there is a bit of hair there. Now let's spin this around so you can see the side profile. Here's the side profile. We have some flow in through here, so the hair is layered. You're getting those different lengths. And now check this out in the front here. All right, so the hair in the front, I'd say, comes down to about the bridge of the nose when it's pulled all the way down. As you can see, the hair likes to spring up. So it's a good, probably, I'd say 5 inches right in the front. This has to be the longest point of the haircut. So what's cool about this haircut is that you see the length throughout in here. So if you want to slick this all back, you can slick this all back and have kind of like a power look. You want to do a side part like this, you can do a side part. You want to have the hair like a bit more textured and some volume in it and going over to the side a little, you can do that, right? You want to have like the TikToker type of hairstyle, you can have it coming towards in your face like this. So it's really an ideal length and an ideal hairstyle to create a variety of different types of shapes, a lot of volume. A great product for this would be Tidal Wave, right? Tidal Wave is a great base foundational spray, and it gives you that volume, that texture that's needed. You can use something like talc, or you can use a grooming paste, power cream. Any one of my products would work for this. It just really depends on the type of style that you're going for. So if you have a natural side part like this, right there, don't worry that the hair splits, because you want to get all that lift and that volume right throughout the front here, and you can do that through blow drying your hair, right? It's all about the blow drying process. What's also awesome about this is you can let it air dry. So, you spray in some Tidal Wave, right? And then you scrunch the hair like this, just get some texture in it with your hands, scrunch it, and set it and forget it. And the hair will, believe it or not, as it dries, you'll have a little bit of that lift because of the sea salt texture from Tidal Wave will give you kind of like a natural kind of light grit to your hair that's going to allow for some volume and some movement. So I think this is an awesome kind of hair length for this type of hairstyle. I think you can do a lot with it, and you can either take screenshots of this, you can tell the barber or stylist, cut it to the middle of my ear, layer it going up where it's shorter throughout the sides here. You can pull the hair out. You can see it's a good probably 2.5, 3 inches right into here. So there is some length to it. And then you leave the front here as the longest point. So you want to always say I want the front to be the longest, so you can kind of slick it back, you can get some texture, and you can do a lot with this type of hairstyle. So let me know what you think about this look. Do you have it now? Is it something you want to wear? Don't forget, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, and you get free shipping on orders with a value of over $50 in the United States at shop.thesalonguy.com.